And Jules, not such a frosty old start this morning.
No scraping for most of us. Yeah, even though I forecast the change in temperature, and I couldn't believe how warm it felt when I stepped outside this morning. The most significant cold spell for our region since January 2013 has come to a dramatic end, and scenes of snow and ice will be replaced by something more like this over the next week because there's a lot of wet weather in the forecast. Out there at the moment, low pressure deepening with its centre northwest of the UK is in charge. It's got this tangle of fronts associated with it. So for us this afternoon, a lot of clouds and bits and pieces of rain, but for many of us a dry slot for a time before more rain arrives tonight. It is incredibly mild out there. Temperatures have already reached 12 to 14 degrees Celsius, and it will remain windy too, with wind gusts of around 40 miles per hour for this afternoon from the southwest. So overnight tonight, more in the way of rain spreading in from the southwest. Some of this is likely to be on the heavy side. With the rain, it will remain very windy, with winds continuing to gust between about 35 and 40 miles per hour. And look at those temperatures. These are higher than what we should have by day at this time of year. Lowest temperatures tonight of 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Such a contrast with the -12 recorded at Writtle only last Friday night. And then tomorrow, well, we've got this weather front that brings us the overnight rain pulling away to the continent. So we start off with some early rain, but then drier, brighter conditions following in behind. Although we'll probably have quite a bit of high cloud turning any sunshine rather hazy, and again for many of us temperatures into double figures, and those southwesterly winds will tend to ease as the day goes on. And then it looks like more rain at some point on Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, and that rain could actually be thundery, and then yet more wet conditions on Friday. And as for the Christmas weekend, at the moment unsettled with showers, and eventually into next week turning colder again.